One of our partners is a major paper mill in the United States, and they were having huge problems with their bar cash slurry application. This is a tough, aggressive, and abrasive type application, and it was chewing through their existing pumps every 2 to 3 hours. Obviously, this is costing them a lot in downtime, spare parts, and water. Because the pumps they had in their process weren't able to handle the high concentrations of solids, they are actually diluting the slurry with water just to have their pumps be able to pump. Even at about 6% solids by weight, their existing pumps were still unable to handle the slurries that they were putting through it. Hevvy Pumps had a solution, and it was installed at the next scheduled shutdown. We were able to get its solids content up by more than 5 times. This saved them a lot of cost, not only downtime, but especially on water usage. And this is now one of their best pumps in operation.